Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable and use wind down feature on Samsung Galaxy M01 smartphone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Wind down mode is used to reduce eye strain before sleeping, and preventing your sleep from being disturbed. To begin, go to Settings on your phone. Scroll down and find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Tap on it. Again scroll down and find Wind Down. Tap on it. Now tap on Set a Schedule. Then toggle on the button Set a Schedule. The wind down feature is now enabled, and it will be automatically turned on at scheduled start time. Now select the days you would like to apply. If you would like to customize the schedule time, tap on Set Schedule. Customize the start time and end time. Then tap on OK to apply the changes. From now on, you will notice your screen will change to a grayscale once the schedule has been enabled. This will only be disabled once the end time is complete, or if you have turned off wind down. So in this way, you can enable and use wind down feature on Samsung Galaxy M01 smartphone.
Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.